Hello friends, welcome to Beauty and Shadow. Today we going to see how 15 minutes of walking per day can change your body. Do you ever take a walk? Then you are doing a good job, because walking brings a lot of physical benefits. Especially at a later age, you will do well to often take a walk. Older people who walk every day have a higher life expectancy than people who do not walk every day. The benefits of walking. The cardiac and respiratory speeds are stimulated, this way extra oxygen is pumped to your muscles. Your nutrients get to the right place thanks to the accelerated blood circulation. This way you do not store energy, but you consume it. You train your muscles, bones and organs by walking every day. By walking during the day you obtain daily amount of vitamin D needed. Walking is not only very important for the elderly, children also benefit from it. Overweight children who walk 45 minutes each day will lose weight much faster. In addition, lung capacity is increased.